Hello, welcome to the 2020 NIC Fall Conference virtual event platform. I am going to show you how to chat and video chat with other conference attendees. So the first thing I want to do is make sure that this site is allowing my camera and my microphone access. So I'm going to click up here on the browser, click on the lock, and I see that I have allowed my camera access as well as the microphone. Great. One thing to note is that I can chat and video chat with conference attendees in any of the locations I am in this virtual platform. All I have to do is go up here to Now Attending to see who is currently in the platform with me. I see Ashley Hurst is here. I know her, so I want to send her a quick chat. Her icon is in the green, which means she's available to talk. So I am going to click on the icon, which will ask her to accept a chat from me. Great, she accepted the chat. So I'm going to say hello. A best practice would be, before you start a video chat, to make sure you ask the person if they are willing to get on a call with you first. A video call will last 10 minutes. At the 10-minute mark, the video will shut down. But no worries, you can always call the person back if you were having a good conversation. Great. She says she wants to do a video chat with me, so I'm going to start a video chat. I'm going to go over here to the left, and I'm going to unclick the mic, and I'm also going to unclick the video. And there's Ashley. Hi, Ashley. Thanks for accepting my call. And that is how you do a video chat. I'm going to hang up. Bye. One thing to note is if your image isn't coming through and the person on the other end is not seeing you, it's possible that it's because your laptop is closed. So if you're using multiple monitors and the only camera you have is on your laptop, make sure you open your laptop. If you have an external camera and it's not picking up your external camera, here's a couple of steps that you should do. You want to go up here, click on the camera. You want to click on Manage. Go down to Permissions. Underneath that, you'll see Camera. And make sure the camera you want to use is selected. So in my case, my external camera is the HD Pro webcam. I'm going to move it to that setting. So the next time I place a call, it will use my external camera. Another thing to note is that if you leave this chat, you will delete the history of the chat that you just had. So if you want to save the chat for the day, you can simply minimize so that you can maximize it later. If I leave this chat, the chat history will go away. Also, if I refresh this page, the chat history will go away. So if you want to keep your chats for the day, just simply minimize instead of leaving the chat. Note that all chats will be deleted once you exit out of the system. They do go away at the end of every day.